Introduction to Free Debugging Tools.
Debugging is an essential skill for every programmer. For those just starting out, having the right tools can make fixing errors easier and faster. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 free debugging tools that beginners can use to write cleaner, more reliable code, no matter which programming language or platform they choose.
Visual Studio Code Debugger.
The built-in debugger in Visual Studio Code is a favorite among new programmers. It supports many languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++. Its user-friendly interface, breakpoints, variable inspection, and step-through execution make tracking down bugs a breeze, all while staying completely free.
GDB, the GNU Debugger.
GDB, or the GNU Debugger, is a powerful open-source tool for C, C++, and other languages. It allows you to step through your code, watch variables, and find the exact moment things go wrong. GDB may seem intimidating at first, but it's well documented and widely used in the programming community.
PDB, Python Debugger.
Python programmers often use PDB, the standard Python debugger that comes with every Python installation. PDB lets you pause code execution, inspect values, and trace the flow of your Python scripts. Its simple command line interface helps new developers build confidence in troubleshooting code.
Chrome DevTools.
If you're working with web development, Chrome DevTools is a must-have. Included in the Chrome browser, it offers powerful debugging features for JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You can view and edit your code live, set breakpoints, track network activity, and much more, all for free.
JetBrains Rider Debugger, free community tools.
JetBrains offers a range of free community tools, such as the .peek decompiler and the Rider IDE's built-in debugger for .NET development. These tools simplify application troubleshooting, offering features like snapshots and real-time variable inspection. Even if you're just starting out, JetBrains' free offerings can boost your debugging skills.
Conclusion: choosing the right debugger.
Starting with the right debugging tool can make programming less frustrating and more rewarding. Whether you code in Python, C++, JavaScript, or another language, these free tools help you learn, debug, and grow as a developer. Try them out, experiment, and find the one that fits your workflow best.